Good afternoon, everyone. I think it's about time that we should start our program for this afternoon. So, as appropriate, since I will be speaking most of the time in our program, it's always good to start up with paying my respect to our guests, traditional leaders, government leaders, religious leaders, staffs, and all the students and everyone that here today. In our program, we will start up with an opening prayer. I would like to ask one of our youth, Mr. Nate Adley, to please help us with the word of prayer.